Hi guys, Kelly Yahoo.com back again. Today I'm gonna be throwing stuff to the ceiling fan up here. See, it doesn't stop with that noise, right? I didn't break it though, but let's get started. First, marker. Crap, it hit to the light. Now those chapsticks. No, I do not own. Whoops, fail. Whoa, it just floated out. Band-Aid. I still do not own this. Oops. Too hard. It floated again. I do not own this emoji. Emoji not good. For those YouTubers that do not like it, some do. But let's get to it. Goodbye, emoji. Oh, yeah! It landed inside the bucket. First try. That red pen. It floated again. For a second I thought it was gonna fall onto me. Well, thanks for watching.